up in this bitch, I got my stunner frames on. Bad bitches call my phone, they won't leave me alone. I'm on my MC Hammer shit, bitch, I'm too legit to quit. Player T was broke as fuck, I found a plug and caught some fish. I like my bitches chocolate, I fuck her like a robot Optimus. We had a threesome with a friend, went bed looking like an octopus. Hell nah, ain't no stopping me, nigga, so move over. I'm chillin' with your bitch on the date with drinking mimosas. Nigga, don't you approach us, get your ass stomped out just like roaches. With this dope, I'm bringing back hope, I'm spilling water just like a Moses. Game open the door, cause player T has been chosen. Got my stunner frames on in my neck and wrist sitting on frozen with my stunner frames, my stunner frame, my stunner frames, my stunner frame, my stunner frame, my stunner frame, my stunner frames, my stunner frame, my stunner frames, my stunner frame, my stunner frames, my stunner frame, my stunner frame, my stunner frame, my stunner frame.
Look at it. All right. First part of the fiberglass is molded in. I got it molded from the outside still, but the inside is molded, as y'all can see. Now I got a sand outlets, come through with some more layers of fiberglass, make it harder, more strength in it. Lock that in, lock that part of the mirror in, lock that edge in, lock this part of it in. So I gotta go with an overlay of the fiberglass. You can see that mold is there, it's hard, it ain't coming out. Gotta lock all the bottom one in. So I locked it in from the inside. Now I gotta lock it in from the outside. After that, sand it, Bondo glass it, prime it, and paint it. Now it's about, like I said, I'm gonna do one more lock in. On the outside, lock all that in. All that. Make that all lock in, lock in, lock in from the top. Sand all that smooth in. Lock all that in and Bondo glass and sand. After we Bondo glass and sand everything, Make it smooth, paint it all one color, put the blinker light in. Yup, it still gotta come with the top. And body work. Yeah, all that's gotta be sanded, then lay up. All that's gotta be sanded so I get a good stick and put another layer on the top. But other than that, she locked in. Now I remember seeing the tape at first. It's past the tape stage. So we're gonna lock in on the top side of it, sand it down a little bit, then lock it in, because I wanna get that paint off of it. I wanna get all the paint off. All the paint on there, I wanna get all that paint off. All the paint off the black part so it'll stick. All that. Come in and then buy no glasses. Yes, sir. Yep, it gotta get ugly before it get pretty. So I'm just adding strength through it. Locking all that shit in as one piece. Plus all that other extra shit gonna get trimmed out. Still gotta come in through there on the side. In the front a little bit. Bottom a little bit. Locking that shit in. Gotta get ugly before it get pretty. All right, I had to put it back in. Turn the lights on. It's got all the structure in it now. It's gotta look ugly before it look pretty. Still gotta put a little bit more strength all up on the front side of it. All that strength. All that, gotta do this corner, this side right here. Fill all that up in there. That around there. All that's hard, one solid piece. You know what I'm saying? This is how it look. This is the style of mirror it was. See how that shit can overlap this whole thing? Y'all can see where I did my hat and my extension at. Now we looking. So I still gotta put more strength in that. All in the front side right there. Then I gotta, like I said, I gotta do that little gap right up in there. Gotta fill all that. This little corner right here. Rest of the bottom, I did all the bottom. Did the inside. A little bit more strength in it, man, on the front side. And we'll be looking like money, y'all. And right there on the side, like I keep saying, then we'll body fill it, sand it down, you know, body work it, put it in primer, and then give it a paint job to match. I'll put a little bit more right here too, lock all that in, and lock the front side in. So I gotta lock the side, right there in, a little bit more, front side, she locked in.